Grand awakening, Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, magic and money, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. Book a really good massage with me. Check out the music, the NFTs, the ebooks. Great products are there. Your word of the day, though, is to believe in yourself, Capricorn. You have been building out of all signs. You have been building a foundation, a brand, a freedom, a gift that multiplies and is going to bring a lifestyle to you. So I want you to understand that I need you. I want you to understand that the world needs you to believe in yourself and your gifts, and do not stop now. You came too far to stop now. Believe, 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 because you're so close to making that from the 4D, the 5D, bringing it to the 3D, into the physical realm where we all can benefit. I believe in myself, the beauty of life, and the goodness of God. Thus, I have the power to fulfill my dreams. The will of the Almighty supports me. My life is showered with divine light, and my heart opens up to the power of the universe. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.